In this video I'm just going to go over classifying alcohols here, part of 4.2 in A-level chemistry, or if you're not following spec, then it's just a video on how to classify into primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. So the first classification, as I previously just mentioned, is of course primary. And primary alcohols are just alcohols where the OH, the hydroxyl group, is attached to the end of the chain, like so in butane 1-ol. And 1-ol, and you'll see primary alcohols with this 1 here to note primary. And here we have secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols, you'll find the OH group attached to a secondary carbon. So what I mean by secondary carbon is a carbon that is attached to two other carbons. So for example, we have this surface point here and we have this surface point here. So we could either have our OH attached here or our OH attached here, or we could have an OH attached on both. And so this would be butane 2,3-diol, or you could simply have this as butane 2-ol, which would be the same as this. And the third alcohol you need to look at, third classification of an alcohol, is tertiary. And you may remember from Markovnikov's rule what a tertiary carbon is. So a tertiary alcohol, the OH group will be attached to a carbon that is attached to 3 other carbons, at least 3 other carbons. That's the best way of defining it in my opinion. And here we obviously have 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. We'll rename this. My bad. 2-methyl butane 2-ol. And typically a tip with noticing tertiary alcohols, identifying them, if you look at the name, you'll see the same number in front of a methyl group as the alcohol. And there you'll see that the carbons obviously can be attached to the 3 other carbons and the alcohol, so we will have a tertiary alcohol. This was just a quick explanation, and hopefully you can now classify alcohols. Thank you.